Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I recently worked with a client wherein they had a number which were used for inbound calls and for capturing inbound leads. And whenever they received a number on that call, if the call had a status of connected or if someone from their team had talked with that particular prospect, they wanted to set the lead source to call. And this was an interesting one. So I thought of creating a video in case someone might want to create a similar workflow. So let's quickly dive into it. What I'll do is I'll create a workflow from scratch. Over here, I'll select Met Filter Criteria, Contact, and over here, I will select Calls. Under Calls, the first criteria over here is that the call should have been connected. So the call outcome is any of connected. And we also want that this call should be inbound. So I'll click on call direction is any of inbound. Okay. So we have these two criterias that a contact that we received a call from a contact and the call outcome is any of connected and the call direction is any of inbound. That is it. Save and continue. And then I'll click on CRM. I will click on edit record and select lead source. This is normally not configured or is not a HubSpot default property. So you can create one lead source and over here inbound call and save. And that was it. So now whenever they receive an inbound call and it gets connected, the lead source automatically changes to inbound. And we could also go one step ahead and notify a team member from the team saying that we received this particular call and if they have to take any further actions. But yeah, all in all, this is how you can automate this process of attributing a lead source for inbound calls. Hope this helps. Thank you.